project, I worked on backend through routes, specifically for the user signup, and also on the front end, developing the user page and some of the functionalities that were involved with it. I'm really proud of our team in working with everyone's crazy schedules and being able to overhaul the database for this application. If I had more time, I would like to work on some more user-to-user interactions and improve the social aspect of our app.
I'm really proud of our recipe app. The team has put in a lot of work the past few weeks, and it's really paid off. We've seen some great changes. I've worked specifically on REST API and learned a lot about routes, and so this has been a great learning journey with me, and I'm sure for the rest of my team as well.
I worked on the backend and front end. In the beginning, I helped with setting up the database and then created a Python script to migrate recipe data over to the SQL database. I implemented the complete recipe feature for users and made small changes with the UI design. For future plans, some things I wish we had time to do was implement a feature that allows users to upload images of their finished product. It adds a nice social aspect to the app, but overall, I had a good experience.
I work mostly on the backend routes and connecting backend and front end. One thing I'm proud of is that we all learned a lot in this project, setting up database and connecting database using Express.js. One thing I wish we could have done is adding more features like a rating system. Overall, I really enjoyed doing the project with my teammates.
Hi, my name is Adar, and I worked as a developer in this project. For our application, I mainly worked on the REST API and routes. I would say that I'm really proud of this team because I believe we finished the bulk of what we wanted to get done. Overall, for me, I would say this project was a big learning experience because I didn't have much web development experience in the past. And I would also like to add that our team leads were extremely knowledgeable and also extremely reachable and active in helping everyone out. So I'm grateful for the opportunity.
Hello, my name is Cole, and I mainly worked on the back end for our recipe manager app, building the REST API routes. This was my project from 110, and I'm super proud of the progress that we made on it. I'm proud of our team also because despite the fact that many of us were seniors and were super busy, my teammates gave it their all, and we learned a ton about new technologies, especially for the back end, and we made some great connections along the way. Thank you.
My name is Christian, and for this project, I was assigned the role of designer, but I mainly worked as a backend developer. I had to design the user page as well as the login/signup page. And for the backend part, I had to implement the login and signup routes. So I've never done web development before, so this was a great learning experience for me. Luckily, I had amazing team leads who were very helpful and knowledgeable, so it made the whole process easier. Overall, I had a great time.
Okay, so in our project, we basically built an entire backend where we have a database and we want to create a REST API. Our entire project was basically create a REST API and a couple of new features like login and sign in. And I think what was great about that was that most of our team didn't know how to build a backend. In fact, most of us didn't know how to build a REST API. Some have never even done a database schema, things like that. And I think out of this project, we were able to learn a lot. However, what I wish we did was still add a couple more features that we would have liked and get to some of our tier 2 lists and maybe even do better test coverages. But under the time constraint and how much we needed to learn, I'm still very satisfactory with what our result is and the learning experience with it.
So my role of this project is working on the backend, connecting the backend to the database and sending the database data into the front end through the REST API. And I also work on a couple of small front end features like the sign in and sign up features. If given more time, I wish we can have features like allowing users to share challenges to other users in the application. So the social aspect of the app. But I still learn a lot in this project.
chlorophyll scale is a measurement of the pungency of chili peppers.